Hey guys, welcome to Sunkistcasa. Today I'm going to organize on my kitchen cabinet. I want to show you a little bit messy inside and dark as well. There you go. Yeah, sometimes I neglect that area. Yeah, happen. Anyway, well, I want to use a container, a storage bin. I put them in the dollar store. I'm not promoting the dollar store. No, I'm affiliated with them. No, I'm getting paid for this. I just saying from where I get it from. So to organize my on the sink cabinet. Also, I wanna place a mat under. It's like a kind of gray and white. It's a beautiful combination between red and gray. It goes perfect. Also, I'm going to use this. I want to put it right in the back of the mat. So when I slide iron, the mat doesn't come along with it. I want to show you in a few. Also, I do have light under my cabinet. I want to show you in a few. I just want to get a little bit more organized. I'm already sitting in my area where I want to have everything. So I'm going to remove everything from under the sink and see you in a bit. Bye. I mean, no bye. Just, hey guys. Okay, this is what I use. This one has like grid. This one is surface. This small surface. So I use it to put in my wallpaper right here. So I put it in the bag. I choose not to cut it. I choose to leave the whole lane. So now I just need to place it back, and that's it. Okay, there we go. So now, so it's easy to clean. It's easy to slide any of the basket if you have it. Then just go roughly on it. Also say the paint under the cabinet. So now I buy the Brillo by big quantity. I just have 3 left right now, but this is good place because the bags comes bigger, so you want to take more space than just using a container. So you just, because I'm not using it every single day, I want you can use it multiple times. So this guy will go in the back right there. Oops, sorry. Okay, there you go. This guy will go right over here, right in the bottom. This guy will go here, so it's more easier for me to pull anything and just grab it. So I would say that I would put like this. I don't usually have refilled the hand wash bottle, so that's it. I can just put it right over there. This is carpet remover stain. I don't use it all the time, so that can go right in there. This is so good for the stainless steel. I clean my stainless steel with it, and I buy the gallon because it's more convenient and just pour a little bit in another bottle, so I don't have to get the gallon all the time. I have to use it. So this guy, because I don't use it all the time, can go over there, or I just can put it right there to save a little bit more the space. So I'm sorry, let me just right here. There you go. Now you guys can see right in there, so it doesn't move. Because this one, sometimes when places are very disorganized, you can buy this same item multiple times, and that's what happened to me. I'm ending up buying 3 because it was not organized. So now that I have everything organized, it will be more easier for me to know what I have. Okay, so this guy can go here. Definitely the windows, because I use windows all the time. I'm cleaning up my windows or the glass or the mirror, so then I can put it this container. But I want to show you what I want to do with this one in a few. Okay, these guys right here, I buy them as a whole, so every time I need one, this lasts anyway for months or few weeks, depends how much you're using it. So I have one for the bathroom, one for the kitchen, and one for all the areas like the wall with the wall gets dirty, so then I can just put like, this is white vinegar with water. This is what I use. In the cleaning kitchen video, I forgot to mention it. that I just mix 1 part water, 1 part white vinegar. This is also a good tool to clean almost anything, and also it's chemical free. All right, so this and this, I put them together. This basket in the bottom, it will be right here. This basket will be when I have to clean, I have to use the washcloths to wipe it up, anything. So I don't have to go for one thing or another. So I just put them one together. I get both at the same time and ready just to clean up. Okay, so the other things like this, I don't use this only every week, so that can go right in there. I'll put it just right there. This doesn't go. The other things that I need is, if I want to save more space, this is what I want to do. I'm gonna put it right here. This I put all 3 together, along with this. Open the package. Right in there, and there you go. Got all in ones, saving space, saving storage. Just closing it. There you go. That one can go right here. And because I don't use it every day, so then I can do this, saving space. The other thing that I need to because I use this every way to do laundry, so then they can go together. This is for me to clean the blinds. This is so good to clean it up. But because it's one of the things that I need for everyday use, so then I will put it right here, right there, in this basket. Okay, I use this every day to clean my table, so definitely we go in this basket. Okay, bleach, I can put it just right there. Okay. Febreze, every time I'm finished cleaning up, I just Febreze. So Febreze goes in this basket for everyday use. Okay. I clean my bathroom every single day, so this goes in the use. In everyday use, my bag. Okay. Over there. I don't know, but sometimes I found it's a kind of funny smell under the cabinet. So I bought this and I said, let me see how it smells. It smells good. So I want to place it under my cabinet to keep things fresh. There we go. Shouldn't know how to work. Okay. Oh wow, it smells good. I want to put it just right in that little corner right there. Right over there. Okay, almost done over here. I bought 3 more. So this is go here. In that basket right there. Let me see something. Awesome. There you go. Okay. Sometimes when I use some chemicals, I wear a mask to prevent me from inhale anything. So this is a great thing. I don't use it all the time. I don't use strong chemicals. Since I use sometimes white vinegar, part water, so it's much better. But it's few things that I need that I use that is kind of strong for me, and I use this to prevent it to go into my healthy lumps. Okay, so that could be right over here. Like I said, I'd rather buy the powder detergent instead the liquid, because for me it's a more space than having multiple bottles. To save more space on this guy, we use garbage trash every single day. So this guy, I can squeeze it in right over here, or just right there. Let's see, you guys can see right there. Okay, right there. Okay. So this right here, my everyday basket. That's the name for it. My everyday basket will go over here, so it's easy for me to reach out. I just need to get it and done. Right there. Definitely, this guy cannot stay. So I can put it just right. Oops. Okay. In the meantime, I want to put it right there. Definitely my gloves. So my gloves will be part of this right here. In everyday use, easy for me to grab. I bought this the hook. This hook is supposedly to hold about 2 pounds. So I wanna use it and I wanna put it just right here for this guy. So oops. Right there. Okay. Just wanna put it by the door. Make sure that everything is clean. So there you go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it comes with 2. Okay. There you go. I want to show you right here. Nice. It was steady. There you go. And now you go there. There you go. Awesome. So this guy right here, we go here. This guy we go here. This is the basket that I use for my laundry. This right here. So perhaps if the sides coming in different sizes. So I have 3 different sizes inside. So I go for the large, medium, and small. So I just put every single large in the bottom, the medium in the middle, and the small one in the top. So it's more easy, and also it's more easier for me to grab just everything. This is not belong here, no. Okay. This is not in everyday use. It's the same thing. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh my God. This is when I clean the window from the outside and I have a balcony. So I just need to, this is so good. So this is basically not really everyday use, but it can go there. Also it goes for the glass table. Really good. This guy is not everyday use. This is for the drainage right there. Not everyday use. This guy, when I clean my stove, like I showed in the cleaning with me in the kitchen, I use it to clean the edges. It's not everyday use, so it can go there. In fact, I put it right here. I don't know what this guy is doing here. I ain't thinking. So this basket also, when I go right here, easier for me to just take it. So this is what I want to do to save even more space. Because I use the detergent, I put it right here. Because I use this guy along with the detergent, I can put them right there. And I use the supplement. So to save space, you see, what would be I should put it in like, much better is it go like this. There you go. Space. Everything is about saving space while you're doing things. This is part of the laundry, so it can go there. There you go. So I just need to grab my basket and done. Right here. I'm gonna need this one. So this is not for everyday use. This is good for the stainless steel. Clean it up so well. This guy can go right in there. Okay. And my basket for everyday use. So you guys can see right there. Out. Garbage. I ended up not using one. So now you guys, okay, you can see right here. Definitely it looks more organized. That's the way that it should be long time ago. But sometimes, like I said before, we neglected some area in the kitchen, and that's under the cabinet. Sometimes we just put things in. Not everybody's the same way, but in my case, I'm feeling a lot happier and seeing that everything is organized, everything fits in. And like I said, I don't use a lot of stuff that have chemicals on it. I rather use white vinegar with water, clean everything. And I see the day that I was cleaning the kitchen, I was using white vinegar with water, and it just amazing. It left everything completely clean and shiny and chemicals free. It's a lot of harmful detergent and stuff like that that you might consider not to use. Well guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hope you like it. Bye.